Virat Kohli, and ever since he got married, it's made him toyinger.
अगर मैं बुमराह हूँ तो तुम मेरी लाइन एंड लेंथ हो.
Hardik for sure. The confidence, straight up, toying, toying, toying.
Where do you stay, man?
I'll tell you later on. Off the camera.
Alright, off the camera.
Yeah.
अगर प्यार फाइनल मैच है तो तुम मेरी ट्रॉफी हो.
फिलहाल मुंबई का दिल एकदम धक धक करेला है. T20 का नशा सब पे छाया हुआ है और जोश वो तो बिल्कुल बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर. ये टाइम सिर्फ बैट और बॉल का नहीं, ये टाइम है दिल और दांत दिखाने का. तो निकल चुकी हूँ मैं ऐसे ही मुंबई में कुछ टॉइंग मोमेंट्स ढूंढने. क्रिकेट और केमिस्ट्री दोनों का स्कोर आज होगा हाई. ओनली ऑन स्पोर्ट्स हीरा स्ट्रीट वानी, पावर्ड बाय माचो स्पोर्टो. ये तो बड़ा टॉइंग है. टॉइंग मोमेंट क्या होता है पता है? बेसिकली वो एक मोमेंट, उनकी एक मूव जिससे दिल का स्टंप उड़ जाए, वो क्लीन बोल्ड वाली फीलिंग. अब मुंबई को पता है वो फीलिंग क्या है. They posted you on their story with the caption "My whole world."
Oh, that is a green flag. That's toying.
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 He wears the jersey of your favorite team. Toying.
Toying again.
He apologized first, even when he did not start the argument.
Super toying.
Toying Max.
Oh, toying, definitely. But he doesn't do that usually. So
He forgot the anniversary, but made up for it the next day with a heartfelt gesture.
Toying.
Still not toying.
He liked his ex's photo on Instagram.
not toying. Dead. Definitely dead.
No, not toying.
They skipped a match night for you and a movie night with you.
Toying. You should always prioritize your partner over cricket.
Super toying.
Has he done that?
No.
He cooked your favorite meal after your team lost.
Toying.
That's sweet.
Yeah, toying.
Toying. But he doesn't usually cook. He orders something for me.
Oh, that's sweet. That's still toying.
Tell me, any cricket cupid stories for the two of y'all?
Was at a pub where this guy was explaining me a reverse scoop of Rishabh Pant.
How did that go? Wait, explain it to us also.
She was completely roasting me when MI lost the match.
By the way, show us that scoop that you were showing.
Cricket passion in him is basically that toying moment for me.
Now in our toying tales of love, हमारे cricket के दीवाने will now try to impress their special someone with lines inspired from the game.
अगर मैं बुमराह हूँ तो तुम मेरी लाइन एंड लेंथ हो.
I'm a batsman, but for you, I could become a keeper.
Are you Shane Warne? Because you just got me stumped.
अगर प्यार फाइनल मैच है तो तुम मेरी ट्रॉफी हो.
Are you a cricket ball? Because you make my heart swing. क्या तुम धोनी का विनिंग छक्का हो? Cause I love you.
Virat Kohli's drive shot is class, but women, you're classy.
That was nice.
Toying man, ये होता है सबके दिल का captain. Okay, what makes him the perfect toying man for you?
It's all the little things that matter. He remembers all of those, and that makes it count.
The commonalities that we have, all the common factors and the things that we like.
Emotionally intelligent, and that's what I like. Very, very steady, a good human, for sure, honest, and fun. If you don't have fun, what are you even doing, right?
Maybe if he follows the same team as me, RCB.
So he always thinks about me before he thinks about himself, be it for food or anything.
Any comment?
I'm just blushing. I can't say.
Who's your toying cricketer? Is it Rohit's chill energy or Kohli's swag?
Rohit's chill energy is pretty toying. And the fact that he is sort of neighbors to me. So, I mean, that makes my decision a bit more biased.
What? Where do you stay, man?
I'll tell you later on. Off the camera.
Alright, off the camera.
Yeah.
Sure, it's Kohli's swag. It's Kohli with his body, with his touch on field. It's Virat Kohli. And ever since he got married, it's made him toyinger.
Ouch to all the Mumbai and Rohit Sharma fans. So what is more toying according to you? Is it Hardik's swagger or is it Bumrah's cool and calm attitude?
Hardik swagger is more toying.
Hardik for sure. The confidence, straight up, toying, toying, toying.
Dude, all the Bumrah fans might just york you for that. Alright, Shreyas Iyer's style and swagger or Gill's golden boy glow?
Gill's golden boy glow.
So the Ayers got the like boss energy, like total toying.
Which cricketer style makes you go, ये तो बड़ा toying है?
Kohli, any day.
Rohit Sharma.
Virat Kohli, of course.
Virat Kohli, smash by.
MS Dhoni.
Dhoni's helicopter shot.
Name the team with the most toying men this season.
Mumbai Indians, of course.
Maybe RCB.
Raja.
Wow.
Yes, he's a good captain.
KKR. आज तो मुंबई की पब्लिक ने बिल्कुल फोड़ दिया। ये बैट और हार्ट का कनेक्शन एकदम किलर था। किसी ने 6 मारा तो कोई रन आउट हो गया। हर एक कॉर्नर पे मिला एक नया ट्विस्ट और एक नया टॉइंग। चलिए फिर अगली बार आपसे मुलाकात होगी स्पोर्ट्स कीड़ा स्ट्रीट वानी के अगले एपिसोड में, पावर्ड बाय माचो स्पोर्ट। ये तो बड़ा टॉइंग है।